Do you like baking? No? No problem. With just 4 ingredients, can we make a cake? Yes, we can. Come, let's get started. Hello viewers, welcome to Krithu's Cake House. Today's recipe is Choco Lava Cake. 4 ingredients are 2 bourbon biscuits, half a cup of milk, half a teaspoon of baking powder and a few chunks of chocolates. 2 bourbon biscuits
and grind it to a fine powder. Add half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a cup of milk. Now mix it well. Take 2 ramekins and brush it with oil. Keep few chocolate chunks inside and cover it up with the remaining batter. Preheat the Kadai for 5 minutes. Bake it in the pan for 10 to 15 minutes. Insert the toothpick to check the readiness of the cake. Choco Lava Cake is ready. Serve and enjoy with your family and friends.